The market's changing, and you know that. Each and every day you're seeing deals fall through, listings not sell, and it's something that is new for a lot of you out there. Hi, I'm Realtor Jeff Glover. This is my 20th year in the business, and I've seen several down markets. I know exactly what it's gonna take to get you through. In fact, I've put together a list of 17 things you need to know and do to succeed in the new market. We're gonna be sharing with you the new plan that we're using for the new market in over 20 cities this fall. Check out where we're going at gloveru.com/tour. We're adding cities every single week. So if you don't see your city listed, reach out to us. Maybe we can get yours added. It's 3.5 hours of content based on everything you need to know and do to succeed in the next market. Totally new 17 ways to win in the shifting market. We can't wait to see you. gloveru.com/tour to see if we're coming to a city near you, or if not, check out the virtual option. Again, that's gloveru.com/tour. We'll see you soon.